What's going on, guys? My name's Danny Ferrare.
My name's Parker Ament.
We are XLNT Sound, and this is our studio in Hollywood, California.
And I am a recording connection mentor.
mentor.
Something that's cool about recording connection is the connections.
Ooh.
You know? You like that?
I do.
Yeah, the music industry is all about connections, and
Absolutely.
This is a great opportunity for people to meet just other people in the industry. You know, it doesn't have to be, oh, you're waiting for a celebrity to come into the studio, but you might find somebody that you work very well with, you get along with, you guys start making music together, and then you guys have a project, you know? So I think that's a really big plus.
Some of the people that we've worked with are...
We work with Young Thug, we've worked with Cash Doll, Mario, Omarion, some EDM acts. We just put out a song with Dubs.
Yep.
We also have a collab with F-Word.
Worked with Brills, Borgor.
Yeah. Jaws.
Jaws. We've worked with, on the hip hop and pop side, we work with Timbaland, actors and actresses. Taryn Manning from Orange is the New Black, we got a song with her too. We got a lot of different people coming in here all the time. You never know who's gonna show up.
Here at XLNT Studios, we have a ton of gear. So in this main room, we have the vocal chains of all vocal chains. We have the BAE 1084 going into the Tube Tech CL1B. And we have a Neumann U87, and we also have a Manley ref card for our mics.
Yeah, not to mention too, our Universal Audio Apollo 8P interface with 8 preamps. This is essentially the brain of the entire organization right here. This is what keeps everything running together. Studio C has Barefoot MM27s. Those are amazing speakers. CDJ Nexus 2000s to be able to practice DJing or to do lessons on that, because we do that on the side sometimes.
We have so much gear.
Yeah,
There's gear everywhere.
I think one of the benefits that I've noticed, at least from the curriculum, is going over certain questions that some of our apprentices may have about a certain question or something in there, and actually being able to use that in real time with them, showing them the actual application essentially in a real world setting. I think that's a big thing that I've noticed. When I'm working with students or apprentices, definitely am trying to get them to somehow apply what they learn into whatever it is that they're working on. A lot of times they want to work on their own music, which is totally fine, but as long as they're applying something that they learn from that curriculum to bring something to that, I think that's the most important part.
Tony is our most recent graduate, and he's one of our best team members right now, and he just started taking on sessions. He's doing a lot of vocal recording, helping out at the studio, and he's part of the team now.
He came in, he put his nose to the grindstone, he did the work that he needed to do without even us having to ask him.
Yep.
And within, I think, maybe about a month before him actually finishing the program, I looked at Parker and I'm like, yo, we need to hire this kid.
Yeah.
And Parker's like, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So we're very selective with the students that we do take on. So when we're looking for potential students and apprentices, we're looking for some kind of key components. We really want somebody who's determined and somebody who is going to go the extra mile.
The experience that you have in here, you're only in here for a short time, and you got that amount of time to prove yourself. And what we want out of this program, the whole reason we're doing this program, is to find good people to work with.
Correct.
And give them opportunities to hopefully work with other people, whether it be working with us for a short time or move on to the next thing.
We love seeing all the success stories of everybody graduating
Yeah.
and just seeing what they're doing. It's amazing.